Welcome to the toy park. It's another blind bag moment we have today. Let's see what's in this Peppa Pig blind bag. This one is a Peppa Pig family blind bag in the nice garden on a sunny day. Let's see what's in this. Oh wow, it's Hello Kitty chocolate surprises! Yay! Before we see what else is in this bag, let's see. Maybe Hello Kitty can help us see what's in the rest of the bag. Oh, wow. It's a Sesame Street roly-poly figure. There is Big Bird right here, Ernie, Elmo, Cookie Monster, and Oscar. Wow, I've never had any figure like this before. Have you seen anything like this before, Hello Kitty? She's going to be very happy to open this. Let's see. Oh, there's some more in there. Wow. Oh, look. It's Peppa Pig and Little George. Perkins surprise! Flip for the ice cream. Looking like we can flip this ice cream cart open. It's ice cream time. Yay. Here. Wow. There are others in here too. There is this painting together, birthday party, and cycling together. Bicycling together. I've got this one already, but I haven't got this one before. So let's open this. I'm gonna start with this. George, and oh look, he's got a little dinosaur on his top. Yay! And we have Peppa Pig and her scoopy ice cream scoop. It's really shiny. We can even turn her head too. Awesome. Oh, here. So this is how it flips. This is where we open the ice cream cart. Apparently we can find the ice cream inside. So, hey. May I have some chocolate ice cream, please? Yes, sure. So then she flip it up and scoop some ice cream. There you go, little George. Thank you so much, Peppa Pig. Cool. Wow. What about this? Let's see if we can open this. We'll get Hello Kitty to do this for us. Wow, it said pull me. It looks like they can wobble. I can't wait to open this. Oh, they're really heavy. It's Big Bird. She's wearing a red dress. Cool, look. Pull, 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 pull. Very nice. Let Big Bird join Little George and Peppa Pig over there next to the ice cream cart. This one. You're really steady. Never going to fall. Give little George, give him a go. He's never going to fall down. Let's see. Maybe Peppa Pig can have a try. Let's see if he can pull. Pull. He's never going to fall. What a nice fun game. What about Elmo? Let's see if Peppa Pig can press Elmo down. No. Looking like Elmo's going to stay still and not going anywhere because he's got a very nice yellow. Oh, look, the bottom part, it's yellow. Ernie has got white bottom part and Big Bird's got white bottom part too. What about Cookie Monster? Oh, look, Cookie Monster's bottom, it's orange. Wow. Looking like he's not going to fall. This time, let's see. Maybe Susie Sheep with a helmet can see if she can push him down a little bit. Oh, wow. He's very strong. He's never ever going to fall. Look. Very nice, guys. This is so much fun. Oh, look. It's Oscar. He's got very bright green color. And he's wearing an orange vest. Let's see if they can have a dance together and not fall. Hey, very nice. They have a little dance. Woo! Very well, guys. Let's Oscar join everybody there and see. It's time for us to open the Hello Kitty chocolate egg. Oh, these chocolate eggs are a bit soft, guys, so let's just open one first because it's all a bit soft. I wouldn't want to open it, or I have to open it really carefully because they are very, very soft. It's going to get really sticky. It's a very hot sunny day today and these chocolates are melting, but it's okay. Let's see what's in the box. Have to be very careful when opening these eggs because they are really, really soft. Let's wipe the case with a bit of tissue first and put the chocolate on the side. I've had this Hello Kitty figure before, this Hello Kitty figure before, but I've never had one like this. So let's see. Our Sesame Street fans, let's get Cookie Monster to open this for us. Oh, wow! It's a Hello Kitty wearing Christmas hat, holding a little present. Thank you so much for opening this cookie monster. Now that we've opened one already, let's just open the others as well. Let's open one more. This one is not as soft as the other one, but it's still soft. So we also have to open it very carefully. It's very, very soft. So everyone, when you open chocolate like this in a very hot summer day, make sure you put it in the fridge for a little while before you're opening the surprises. Or you can wash your hands after opening the eggs. Let's give it a little wipe and see what's in this. This time I have Elmo. Well done, you remember its name, everybody. Let's get Elmo to see what's in this. Oh, wow. She's wearing a nice pink winter coat. It looks like it's a bit hot for Hello Kitty to wear this now. It's summer. But it's a very pretty figure. Maybe she's going on holiday in a very cold country. So Elmo, can you think of any very cold country that Hello Kitty is visiting? Can you name any country, guys? Maybe she's going to Canada. That's right. Hello Kitty's going to Canada or Alaska, where she will be needing to wear all this thick, pink, nice, fluffy jacket and hat. Now, let's open the last one. This one is also very soft. Let's see what is in this one. We also need to wipe our little fingers and wipe the little case before opening it so it won't be a mess. Okay, guys. This time, let's get Ernie to do this with us. Ernie, which one do you think we will have? Let's take a look. So we already have this one, and we already have this one. Last time we had this one, we also had this one, and we also had this one. So we haven't got this one yet, or this one, or this one. Oh, I haven't seen this one either. Let's see if we can get any one of these, because Ernie, this one looks so cool. She's wearing a pumpkin dress in black. She also wearing an orange ribbon and a black Hello Kitty hood. It must be for Halloween. Let's see if we can get something really special for this. Oh, it's another one. They're the same. But it's okay, Ernie. We can use them both, right? Maybe this Hello Kitty is traveling to another cold country. Guys, can you think of any other cold country for Ernie? Oh guys, looking like Ernie is struggling to think another cold country. Let's see if Big Bird can help us. Big Bird, can you think of any cold country that Hello Kitty is visiting? Well, the one that Elmo has is visiting Alaska and Canada. Maybe... guys, by the way, do you know where is Alaska and Canada? It's in America! That's right. Wait guys, there is North America and South America. Do you know where Canada is? In North or in South America? That's right guys. Alaska and Canada, it's in North America. It's above on the upper part of the earth. Above the equator. And by the way, back to the cold country. Can you think of any other cold country for Hello Kitty to visiting? Oh dear. Looking like Ernie and Big Birds are both struggling to think of any cold country name. Let's see. What about you, Little George? Let's see if Little George and Peppa Pig can think of any cold country for Hello Kitty to visit in her summer holiday. I know. It's Brazil. Oh. Well, Peppa, I think Brazil is one of the hottest places. Because it's in South America. That's right. Oh no. Can't think of any other country name. Can you suggest somewhere, Little George? Well, is it... Oh no, I can't think of anywhere that she can be visiting. Oh dear. Oh, I got an idea, guys. Oh, let's see what Oscar has got to suggest for this Hello Kitty to visit. Maybe it's North Pole. That's right, guys. Maybe it's North Pole or Russia. That's right, guys. Well done, Oscar. Any country around that area will be very cold, and that's where Hello Kitty needs to be wearing a jacket like that. Anyway, so well done. Thank you very much, Oscar. We have learned something new today. Anyway, that's all for today, guys. Thank you for unboxing these together with us, the toy park. Thank you for watching. So we had, let's see, if they can all have an ice cream together. Maybe we'll have enough ice cream for everybody in the cart, right, Peppa Pig? Little George thinks so too. Right. They're going to have ice cream all together. Thank you for watching the toy park. Bye bye.